Okay, today we will discuss about sourcing and thinking concepts in PLC, that is in digital inputs. Okay, first we will take one circuit. We have one DC source, one push button or field sensor, one PLC DI unit. So PLC DI unit has one input, one common. Okay, first push button or field sensor input is connected 24 volts from the DC source. Okay, push button output is connected to the PLC input. So PLC DI unit where it is applied from the push button output. Okay, here the PLC input side we are receiving the positive the source. We can call it as positive logic. So PLC common is directly connected to the DC source. So 24 volts negative from the DC source. Here there is a one tip to remember source and sink type. So we will take first field sensor or push button. So whoever has positive we can call it as source type. Okay, first 24 volts from the DC source push button, so positive, that means source type. So it is receiving power from the push button output, so we can call it as sink type. Okay, we can call it as sink type. Okay, again suppose next we will see further sourcing input. So that sourcing input push button or field sensor input is connected to the DC source negative. Okay, and the PLC common connected 24 volts plus from the DC source. Okay, that PLC input again it is connected 24 volts negative from the push button output. So here the PLC is receiving the negative, so negative source then we can call it as negative logic. Okay, PLC common is directly connected 24 volts positive. Here 24 volts negative from the inputs. Okay, we can say that common is connected. So here the PLC has 24 volts, then we can call it as source type. Here it is sink type.